Mr. Cow is on site now. Make you wow no matter how. Today we're going to learn fruits and I like rap in Mandarin. Are you excited? Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's channel. This is my helper, Mr. Cow.
Hello guys.
Hello Mr. Cow, welcome. Are you ready to learn Mandarin with us? Let's get started.
Wow, I like your crown.
Thank you, Mr. Cow. I wear this for a reason.
I know. So today we are going to learn fruits in Mandarin, aren't we?
You're definitely right.
So, what fruit do you like?
I like apple. Apple in Mandarin is 苹果. Say 苹果.
苹果,
苹果.
苹果.
Great job. So, I like apple in Mandarin is 我喜欢苹果. Can you please follow me? 我喜欢苹果. Not bad. Let's do it one more time. 我喜欢苹果. Amazing. The next fruit, what I'm going to introduce, is the one your friend Monkey's favorite. Can you guess what that is?
Sure, I think it's banana.
Bingo! That's banana. Banana in Mandarin is 香蕉. Say 香蕉.
香蕉,
香蕉.
香蕉.
So I like banana in Mandarin is 我喜欢香蕉. So follow me please. 我喜欢香蕉. One more time. 我喜欢香蕉. Great job. Mr. Cow, what fruit do you like?
I like mango.
Yummy. Mango has a similar pronunciation as the one in Mandarin. 芒果 is easy, huh? Say 芒果.
芒果,
芒果.
芒果.
So, Mr. Cow, can you please say I like mango in Mandarin?
Sure. Let me see. 我喜欢芒果.
Amazing. Let's do it one more time. 我喜欢芒果.
Wait a minute. I noticed something.
What was that?
You are going to teach us the watermelon next, aren't you?
Yes, you're right.
So you follow the order on your crown. But how come you know my favorite fruit is mango?
Let me tell you a secret. I have some magic power. So in my next video, I'm going to show you more of my magic power. So don't forget to subscribe. So the next one I'm going to show you is 西瓜, watermelon. Say 西瓜.
西瓜,
西瓜.
西瓜.
So I like watermelon. In Mandarin is, let's do it together, okay? 我喜欢西瓜. Great. Let's do it one more time. 我喜欢西瓜. Great job. So what's after watermelon is orange. In Mandarin is 橘子. Say 橘子.
橘子,
橘子.
橘子.
So can you please show our friends how to say I like orange in Mandarin by yourself, Mr. Cow?
Let me see. 我喜欢橘子.
Well done. 我喜欢橘子. Again, please. 我喜欢橘子. So the last one is
Strawberry.
strawberry. Strawberry in Mandarin is 草莓. Say 草莓.
草莓.
One more time.
草莓.
草莓. I like strawberry. In Mandarin is 我喜欢草莓. Again, please. 我喜欢草莓. Great job. Now we're going to learn a rap called I like, 我喜欢. That will help us practice all the fruits we've learned today and also the family members we've learned from last video. Are you ready? Let's go. 妈妈喜欢苹果，爸爸喜欢香蕉，哥哥喜欢芒果，姐姐喜欢西瓜，弟弟喜欢橘子，妹妹喜欢草莓。
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You ready? You ready? You ready to glow? Come to my show and follow the flow. Wiggle your toe, then here we go. 妈妈喜欢苹果，爸爸喜欢香蕉，哥哥喜欢芒果，姐姐喜欢西瓜，弟弟喜欢橘子，妹妹喜欢草莓。How about you? Tell me something new.
So now, Shan and Mr. Cow are going to play a game. Practice all the words we've learned today again. I have a basket here. In the basket, I have all those 6 fruits we've learned today. They are
西瓜、橘子、草莓、芒果、香蕉和苹果。
I have a cloth. I am going to cover it. Mr. Cow gonna guess what I have in my hand. If you guess it right, Mr. Cow, you can take them home as your rewards.
That's great.
Great. Are you ready?
Let's go.
The first one is, the skin is orange. The flesh is orange too. Before you eat it, you have to peel it off. So what is it? Please tell me in Mandarin, okay?
I think it should be 橘子.
Great! That's 橘子. This one is, the shape is round and it's very hard. It has seeds inside. It's crunchy. The skin is red. So what is it?
Let me see. It's really hard to guess.
I think you can get it. You can do it.
Is
Think about
that
it.
苹果?
Yes, it is 苹果. The skin is red and it has seeds inside. It's crunchy, right? Wow, you got 2 already so far. It's yummy and it's Mr. Cow's favorite. What is it?
芒果.
Great job, 芒果. Next one. Oh, it can be very mushy and the skin is yellow. The flesh is yellow too. That's very easy. What is it?
Is that monkey's favorite?
Yes, that's right. Tell me what is it in Mandarin, please.
香蕉.
Great job, 香蕉. Okay, 2 more left. Okay. It's red. It has green stem on top.
That must be 草莓.
Strawberry, right? Great. Let's see if Mr. Cow can get all those 6 fruits home or not. It's round. It has black seeds inside. It's very juicy. The flesh is red. So what is it?
Must be 西瓜.
Bingo! 西瓜! Congratulations!
Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below this video or let me know what else you would like to learn in Mandarin.
If you like our video, please subscribe and give us a like. Remember,
Shan will make you shine.